Hey, I'm Missy with Wichita Homeworks. I just wanted to take you on a quick little tour on another one of our jobs and just keep you posted on the progress that we've made here. There's a ton of work had been getting done, and so I just wanted to show you around and share a little bit of that with you. This one, we're here in a master bathroom where we took out, this will be some cabinetry going in here. We took out two big pillars over here, opened this area up, put some new cabinetries here, new little vanities. Got a lot of work going on, new flooring in, all throughout. The backsplash that's going in. Getting started on that. And this room here and staircase all got some new flooring as well. So a whole lot of progress I just wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out and contact us if you have any questions, any jobs that you would like done at your home. Let us know. We'd love to come out and chat with you. Thanks.